selling stuff or not? He's fucking going.
Freezing our arse off.
Yeah, no, I've been here since 4:30. I reckon this is probably the best part of the day now. 9:30, 10 o'clock.
I haven't been here since 4:30.
Yeah, no, that's it. So it's unreal. Like, country's coldest swap meet, but also the fastest one, I guess, when it's wrapping up at 20 to 10.
Yeah, everyone's
already starting to flow out.
Everyone's out and about, got their cars out in the rain. They're all seems to be departing though.
Absolute killer weekend. Crazy display cars up here, V8 Cortinas and bloody big block LH Tiranas, and it's been amazing.
Yeah, the car park's full.
Yeah.
People everywhere. It's like it's like they've missed it for 2 years or something.
Yeah, I don't know how many parking spots there are in the display, but that would have been 150 display cars or something nearly.
Yeah.
So it's been unreal.
Anyway,
The world's half feeling normal.
This is the fridge, and enjoy the video.
Okay, here I am, joined by Babe. There you go, mate.
Good to see you again, Chris.
Yeah, no, that's all right. We've been working
Hey,
together.
thank you.
How are you, mate?
We've been working together since 4:30 this morning, I reckon.
It's been a big weekend, guys.
Yeah,
huge.
It certainly has. And what would the recap be, mate? What's the feeling? What's the flavour?
I am pumped.
People everywhere.
4 o'clock this morning, V-Can and Mars Bar got me going.
Yeah.
It's just been a massive weekend for the Ballarat Road Riders. Like, we had our 50th anniversary Friday night, and it was 20 out of 10.
Yeah.
Thank you so much to everyone that turned up and supported us. Damien Mullins' Elvis was just sensational.
Yeah.
The Civic Hall, the Ballarat Civic Council was just... The Civic Hall is awesome.
Beautiful venue.
The caterers from Geelong, and now I'm thinking of their name. We can add that into the comments later, please. The food was awesome. Like, everything was sensational.
Yeah.
We announced a garage crawl for the Saturday. There would have been 100 people, probably 30 odd cars. We've done 4 garages, local guys. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Hit the ground running this morning. Bit of a change on gate setups with pedestrians and cars, OH&S and everything nowadays. So
it was a little bit of
no, we had everyone in within 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So
That's pretty good going for the amount of cars here.
mate,
Oh, the display.
we're half a level off, and the display area is full.
Oh, it's great.
And they're coming and going. I'm pumped. It's awesome.
No, he was that pumped this morning. He ran up and gave me a hug and a kiss on the fucking cheek, mate. That's how well we're going.
Love it, love it.
No, it's been fucking awesome. And as you can see, they're all rolling out now. Got some quality, bloody goods here.
The real American feel, this one. It's in early, out early.
Yeah, that's it.
The girls have just been sensational on the barbecue. They haven't stopped.
Yeah, no, I shot a video with the ladies earlier, mate.
Change up this year's bacon and egg rolls and Kranskis rather than the old snag.
Sorry, because
I prefer to be doing that anyway. Kylie and Combi with a cause, and her sisters brought the other van, so they both come and supported.
Yeah, got a little video chat with Kylie as well.
And they're donating to cops and kids.
Yeah.
So just awesome.
This is wicked, mate.
Good weekend. And what you guys are doing is awesome too.
Yeah, no, I'm really impressed the way it's all come together. So
Love it.
And so Lincoln's head over there by the gate, mate, and I haven't seen him at a meeting for I reckon, but he had last 6.
Yeah, but they're all supporting.
No, they turn up when it needs to happen. No, fantastic. Should I?
We'll go for a wander.
Cheers, guys. Thanks.
No
Cheers,
worries.
mate.
Back to it.
We've had. You always got to check whether the wagon's got bits in the back. Wow, that's cool. That's nice. Okay, Moses here, standing here with Jamie. Jamie's just rolled in, we're at the fridge swap meet. I'm going to say he's driving my favourite car of the morning and my job is parking cars, but get a load. I'll just, we've got the fat block in the Tirana, we've got the B45s. We're nearly channeling Rob Beauchamp, I reckon, on the colour. You want to tell us a little bit about you?
Yeah, I did it up when I was about 18, I suppose. It's about 30 odd years ago, so
yeah.
as you see it now,
yeah.
Paint the whole lot's about 30 odd years old, so
yeah.
Get out occasionally, but
yeah.
not enough.
Yeah.
Most of them, but yeah, it was originally an SLR 4.2, and yeah, back in the day everyone was putting small block Chevs in it. And,
absolutely love it.
I thought, oh well, we'll do something a bit different.
Yeah, nah. And even now people are talking big capacity small blocks and things like that, but there's something about the old fat man sitting in a Tirana.
Well, yeah. So,
motor had a bit done on it.
It's a 582.
Yeah, wow.
From the States.
Nah.
Shaffer off racing. 2-speed glide, 9-inch diff.
Oh, beautiful.
But yeah, very streetable, believe it or not.
Yeah. And do you punish it on the strip occasionally?
No, I haven't for a long time, but yeah, back in the day we have, yeah. So.
Yeah, what did it run back in the day?
That was, yeah, with a lot of dramas. First time out, it was 10 at 10.8, I think it was, something like that. Yeah.
Ah, bloody awesome, mate. Nah, absolutely love it. Car of the bloody swap meet, I'm going to say. I think it's going to take some topping.
Thank you, mate.
Nah, cheers. Thank you. Oh, what a little ripper. Display parking, mate, to the right. What do you think, Peter?
Excellent.
Excellent?
Excellent.
Nah, beautiful job. Well, here we go. How's the swap meet going, mate? Are you selling a bit? You're on here. Little bits and pieces. Good to see a few people back though, isn't it, boys?
Yeah, lots of people now.
Yeah, no, awesome. Yeah, what do we got? What do we got? Oh, yeah. A $5 nibbler. Geez, that sounds sus. local hero, Rod Ward. How you going, Rob?
Yeah, good, mate.
That's the way, mate. Yeah, I see you smiling pretty hard as we're wrapping the swap meet up.
No, it's all good, eh?
All good?
Done well.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Highly recommended to everybody.
Yeah, no, it's been a sweet turnaround. And yeah, buddy, what are you selling? Old school, buddy? Hubcaps and grills and...
Yeah, there's been lots of stuff.
Yeah, you were saying you'd had a pretty good day?
Oh, really good day.
Nah, that's awesome, because that's a big part. Yeah.
Made a couple of dollars and cleaned my shed out.
Yeah, I'm the sort of bloke to buy a coffee and a donut at a swap meet, so I don't necessarily play into it much, but no, it's good to see. It's
fantastic.
Yeah, no. Shit up,
I'm
mate.
with the ute and the trailer load, and I'm going home with half a trailer load.
Half a trailer load other than the ute and the trailer. That's
Very
awesome.
Successful.
Very cool. Oh, look out over here. We've got one of the founding members. How you going, Robert? That's the way. How's the weekend been for you, mate? Yeah. Friday night absolutely killed it.
Everyone enjoyed themselves and people wish they could have gone.
Yeah, absolutely. And how have you found the swap? Yeah, no, good stuff, mate. Yeah, no, I'll leave you to it. Cheers, Forbesy. That's what you're meant to buy at our swap meet. That's fucking perfect, mate. Or don't. I'm here with coffee aficionado and club member Kylie. How you going?
Alright, how you doing?
Yeah, good. Good turnout. You got the prime position. See ya. We're nearly out of parks.
Yeah, sorry.
Jimmy, good mate, how you going? Here with Brendan. How you going, Brendan Christie?
Hello, I'm about to go on the barbecue.
You go to go on the
That's it,
barbie, mate. Get someone to bring me a Kransky. How the raffle ticket sales going, ladies? Good. Nearly got them all sold? I know you were holding me accountable. Where's your book, Mr. Kelly? You got into me the other day. I like it. Yeah, interviewed your dad too. Yeah, all good. Okay, run on. That's right, mate. Yeah, 4-day model. With dog and kid.